What does MLG mean to me? I would say a lot of things, but I think the most thing it means is what the catchphrase is never lose. As a cop on the south suburbs, you see this guy that resembles Johnny Depp driving around in these extravagant cars, and his license plate is never lose, and he's a defense attorney. So you have that aspect, and I know of him at that moment, but what I had was a child support case, and in the case there was a lot of discrepancies from other attorneys that I were using, and I was not getting the results that I wanted. Things were not going the way I wanted them to go. I felt that as if they didn't understand the system. So I met with Dave and I came to the office, and he did this Rain Man thing where he just spit out the law of child support and visitation like verbatim, word for word. And that kind of was something that's like, oh, well, if he knows it backwards and forwards like that, then that's pretty much the guy you want on the team. So I hired him. We became close friends during that process. He got me he got me what I wanted, which was just, I wanted a fair exchange between the mother of my children and my income. And so that, so that worked out well. And during the process of that, I saw his ferociousness and his tenacity to win and to argue, and besides everybody knowing who he is in court, from every judge to to the janitor, everybody knows Dave McDermott. And the entire law group, entire law firm is ran with this heavy family environment, and you really feel good coming into the office and kind of bearing your soul. And he's honest and open about how he's going to help you and how he can help you, as long as you're honest and open with him, so that there's no surprises on his end. But a little funny tidbit, is Dave was one of the first and probably only attorneys that, as I'm a police officer, that, he destroyed me on the stand. And, I was hoping for something better, as in a conviction to one of his clients. And of course, he got him off. And then that's when I kind of realized what never lose meant. And that's what he's kind of known for. Like, he has all of these police officers that are friends, but at the end of the day, we all are like, you walk into court and you see Dave with the person you arrested, and you're just like, shit just got real. I need to go read my report to make sure everything is on the up and up, because he does not let up. So knowing that, and he has this personality about him when he's, doing his thing, and I'm in the entertainment business as well, and I was like, you have this vibe that is magnetic to people, and I felt that should be shown on this entire stage, because what people don't understand about Dave McDermott and some of the, and some of the other associates here, is that I've watched Dave come into court to observe another attorney, and the prosecutor, the state's attorney, basically, did a little bait and switch. And Dave, in his, I believe they were Moschino jeans or whatever, some high fashion blue jean and shirt that he was wearing, stands up, steps into the first chair, and literally argues the case and wins. Without a suit, without, and I'm just looking at this guy, and I'm just like, that is amazing. And I see him as he dips and darts through each courtroom, and he is a machine where everything in whatever courtroom he's in, it just comes to his brain, and he just rattles it off and what he needs to do. And so I was like, I got to get this guy on TV. I have to get this guy on TV. So I came to him like, yo, it's a reality show, we need to, do this thing, and that's basically where we're at. I can only stretch so far because I'm just an actor and a TV director, so I don't have, necessary pull to kind of get it there, but I was trying to make the connections, because what he does is so different from your dry, boring, run-of-the-mill attorneys. He is literally the Steph Curry of law, because he will shoot from anywhere. And 10 times out of 10 times, he's gonna hit. So, would I recommend Dave McDermott or any of the associates of McDermott Law Group? I will. I'd be crazy not to.